Hey, Benny. Yeah, man, you've been a hard guy to get a hold of. This is Rugburn. Hello? Hello? Oh, that ginger fuck has hung up on me for the last time.
I can't imagine why people seem to be turned off by you.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe he's being surveillanced.
The word is surveilled.
Surveilled, yeah, you're right. Jeez. Duh. Mind fart. Embarrassing. But of course you'd know that word.
The fuck's that supposed to mean?
Well, I'll run and get some cash. I'll see if Loopy Larry met up with his buddy yet.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you. I fucked that dude's mom.
Oh, wow. No. I'd love to hear about it as soon as I get back.
Word.
Ooh, long ass line. Thank God I'm still a little ripped from that old card I found. Man, I wish that ATM would let me take out over $200. Just another way this bank tries to fuck the working man. As soon as Antifa and the BLM take control and socialism spreads across the land like a warm, intoxicating blanket, then. Damn. Bad time for a pot cough. They'll think I got the virus. I must moisten my throat. Oh, the tickle's growing. Damn. Barbara Cat Eyes seems to be diagnosing me as we speak. Don't give her another reason, Rugburn. Swallow the tickle. Moist throat. Moist throat. Oh, God damn it. Oh, shit. The black dude from Reno 911's getting pissed now. Catwoman's gonna tell the manager on me, I know it. Jesus Christ, why is it so fucking dry in here? Maybe I can clear my throat just enough to relieve the phlegm pressure. All right, here we go. And that didn't work. The tickle is only stronger. I hate this fucking virus so much.
If you're not feeling well, you can always do your banking online.
If I open up my mouth and I talk, I'm gonna cough. Just smile so she knows you heard her, but that you're not sick. Yep, big smile. Perfect. All right. You can't cough again. Mentally destroy the tickle. Picture it in your mind and pulverize it. I am way higher than I originally thought I was. This most likely will end badly.
Hey, I'm Philip Flem. I used to live in the lining of this lazy ass's stomach, but I'm sick of this shit, so I'm leaving. Taking the highway north out of town, if you know what I mean. Just a little coochie coo in the throat like this should get me out of here, but for some reason, this dumb motherfucker is too dumb to cough. He keeps swallowing his nasty ass spit thinking this'll change a damn thing, and it won't. So if a little tickle won't do the job, then I'm gonna whip him like Devo during an encore. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I still won't cough. What an asshole. Speaking of asshole, I guess I'll move on to plan number 2.
All right, one more person. You're doing great, Rugburn. When you get to the teller, just give her the withdrawal slip and talk with your eyes.
I can help the next customer. For the cash back, do you want 20s?
Oh no. I want it in hundreds, not 20s. How do I tell her?
Sir, would you like them in 20s?
Damn. I think I just shit my pants. Well. Oh no, I think I have the coronavirus.
Pine Vinyl.